Check that out, the key box is literally just open. It's a Parkview Tower. Go to 21. Oh, this is fucking US. It said US on the door. These are the tallest USs I've been on, 21 floors. Of course they're fucking geared. Leave it to US to make it slow as fuck for 21 floors. Good job. But US in Chicago, that's not common. Better have you go. United States out. Down to 1. Yeah, these definitely were US. You can see the certificate capacity is 2,000 pounds. What do these go? 350? Yeah, 350 feet per minute. I think, come on, at least, if you're gonna make it geared, at least make it just go 450 for 21 floors. Like, come on. I'd hate to live on the 21st floor here. It's a half your commute would be to just to the lobby from your house or from your place.